This is our new mama, Reba. Reba is a golden retriever. She's very shy. She is in the care of Friends of Retriever and Adopt a Golden. And she just came from Campbell County, I believe it is, with 5 little pups. And these are just extraordinary little fellas. They've just been here a couple of hours. I think they're about 4 or 5 weeks old. This little fella is hysterical in the back, the one with the merle face. Then there's Grumpy Bear. There's Black Bear. And there's Frosty Bear. And then this little one, I guess we'll call him Brown Bear in the back, but puppy! This little merle face fella is really cute. And they're about, 5 pounds or so right now. They're fuzzy. And they're not weaned yet. They're kind of in shock with what's going on and all. They just come from the shelter to here. Look at that cool little face. I'll see if we can get it closer to me. Now, is that a cute face or what? I don't know what he is, but he's got a split face with half of it sort of Aussie ticked and the other half brown. So he's very cool. And then this little fella is also, he's shy now. He's got a nice thick coat and beautiful black mask. They're all good. Oh, and this one is half merle face too. Whoops. We're getting waggies. We're getting waggies. We're getting waggies. Yes, we are. What is that? See, his little face is part merle right there. And the other one looks like he's got a little bit of boxer in him. This one looks a lot golden. Got some long shaggy hair. Okay, and there's Mama again, just not knowing what's going on. She'll be available through Adopt a Golden, and in a couple of weeks' time, I would say.